This is the new Mahindra XUV 300 Turbo Petrol AMT. Now, how quick is the gearbox with all that power and torque from the engine? Well, I've done a few runs both in the auto mode as well as in the manual mode, and these runs are coming up on your screen right away. So the first one coming up, I'll shift into drive or the normal automatic. My AC is off right over here. So right foot on the accelerator pedal, left on the brake, revving up. Oh, there's a bit of chirping as well. Beautiful, beautiful. We're already hitting 60, 80, 100. This is a dead end. The road has a dead end, so no worries on the safety front. Whoa, not bad, not bad. Alright, so second run, this time I'll have the AC on. Let me just lower the temperature as well. It is winters, but temperature goes low. So AC is on, again in the D or the normal automatic. Here we... Again a bit of chirping happening in. I don't know if the AC cuts off under hard acceleration, but we'll come to know when we finally have the timings on our screen. So this time around I will be into the manual mode. The first is the automatic A. I again flick the gear lever to the left. Manual, my AC is off, and let's see if there is a difference or not. Yeah, it does hold up till a higher rev. I do hope this translates into actual better timings. Alright, so I will be in the manual mode, but this time around I will be shifting gears myself. The P power comes in at 5000 RPM, so I will be upshifting at 5, not revving all the way till 6. Let's see if it makes any difference. Upshift. 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 So the final shifting to the 5th gear happened by itself. I didn't do it. It shifted into 5th gear by itself. I didn't do it.
So as you saw, the acceleration timings for the XUV 300 Petrol AMT are almost identical no matter which mode you are in. A proper city-based fuel economy run for the same car is coming up on my channel very soon. So guys, stay tuned for that.